today I'm here with Georgie.
Yay! Yay?
It was a wimpy yay. It's okay.
Woo!
Alright, so today, I know it's been a while since we've done this, but we're doing another costume video. Second costume video, and today's one is Kronk. One that Georgie was holding up, now he put it down. So, we are going to be doing this video of Kronk. We're going to be doing Cusco next, and then Yzma. George is going to be dressing up as Kronk, so this is his costume. So, I guess let's get started, alright?
Yes.
Yes, okay. So, why don't you explain what we're going to do here for this costume?
Oh, okay. We're going to take blue shirt, and we're going to add the yellow cutout from Kronk's outfit.
Oh, we need a Sharpie. I'm going to go get that.
And then we're going to use what is a costume construction hat that we've trimmed up, and we're going to add the little attachment that's at the top of Kronk's hat, and then we've got a little purple sash that we're going to make for his wraparound. We're going to use the yellow foam board to make his shin guards and his arm guards.
So, we're back. So what we really did for that time lapse was take two pieces of foam, two large pieces in fact, and we cut them at specific angles to go on the shirt, and also cut out the neckline so we can actually do the actual costume for the front. I'm probably going to be sketching those lines that appear on his little chest plate there. But next, what else are we going to be doing, George?
Well, the next thing we'll do to finish this off is we're going to glue these. We're just going to hot glue them on
also,
the front.
We made a piece of abstract art down there. I don't know if you can see that. Probably not on screen.
The dripping hot glue.
There's just dripping hot glue, and it's just an amazing piece of abstract art. I'll show you at the end of the video. And
the start of it. So you can see we took the yellow foam board.
Yep.
We cut out our shape, and we created kind of the decorative piece that is around Kronk.
Yeah.
I don't know what that's called. Do you know what it's called?
I guess a chest plate.
A chest plate. Yeah.
We're just discussing the term of what it is. So next, I'm guessing we're just gonna have to do the.
Some of the glue kind of cooled off before we actually got it attached. So I'm just going to hit some of those spots.
There went our freaking abstract. The abstract art stayed on the plate.
Oh, good.
See? It went upside down and it just stayed on the plate as it was on the ground. Oh, look! It can be upside down art. Look.
The last time we hot glued, we had glue everywhere. Like 3 weeks later, we were still finding glue. Yep.
Alright, so what we decided to do for the hat, by the way, this hat barely fits on George's head. So what we decided to use was this little construction hat. It looked like an actual construction hat. We just cut the rim of it to make it look a bit smoother. It's not really my best work, but and then we're going to use a pipe cleaner for the little
Well, this hat looks kind of like a beanie. So,
it basically does, yeah.
Yeah, so we're just going to take a pipe cleaner and we're going to run it up, and then we'll put the little fan,
we'll cut
the top
it
fan
first
piece
before we put the fan on
on top.
Like that, and then we're going to put the fan piece on the top.
So what we did was we cut out 2 pieces of the foam board to create the shape for the top of the hat, and then we sandwiched it around the pipe cleaner. We threaded the pipe cleaner up, and we tried to do it so that the pipe cleaner would firm up, but it still is a little weak. So we added a little hot glue around the edges of it, hoping that it'll firm it up and help it stand straight. Because right now it's not.
With the wig. So,
but there's our first piece, and once this dries, hopefully it'll stay in place and not wobble so much.
If you're gonna get the glue, don't wipe it off. Put it in the abstract art.
Oh yeah, the abstract art section.
I like how you just drop it there, like, goodbye. Good luck at daycare.
All right, so the next thing we'll do, we'll make the shin guards and the arm guards, and then we'll make the lavender sash last.
Yeah.
All right. Sleeves, the shin sleeves for Kronk, and basically, I mean, all we did was we just took some foam board, we punched some holes through here, and then we laced it up so it'll tie off, and it's just like slipping on a boot. You just slip it on, tie it off tight. Same thing here. You're just gonna slip it on, we're gonna tie it off, and then we're gonna have the little shins that we need for Kronk's costume.
Alright guys, we're back. So we got, okay, I don't even know how to explain this, George. Go ahead and explain it. You're the one who did all the work on this, because I'm not allowed to touch the iron.
Oh. Alright, so we're just finishing up. The last thing that we have for the Kronk costume is the lavender sash. And then we're going to move on to Cusco and then to Yzma's, and we have 1 week to get all of our stuff done.
1 freaking week.
And we started planning this like a year ago, and we're still behind. That's why we planned so early. So this piece is finished. So all we have to do is make the belt piece, the sash that wraps around. We're going to use the same material. We're going to do basically the same thing. It's just going to be a little bit longer. So we're going to take this, we'll cut it straight across, then we'll do the same thing. We're going to hot glue it, and then we'll put some Velcro on each end of it to put it on. And that should finish this up. So we've got costume number 2 finished. We've got your dad's Pacha costume done, and now my Kronk costume done. So the hat, actually, the pipe cleaner, once we glued it in from the bottom and from the top, it's very sturdy. And then just gotta 70s guy wig that we're gonna trim up a little bit. And then that'll be.
Can I have the hair?
I don't know what you do with the hair.
Doll making.
Oh.
I was like, George.
So then you see we got the shirt with the chest plate, and then the sash, and then we've got the purple skirt being hemmed now.
We'll be needing sandals.
And I've got sandals. So we are set. Oh, well, we forgot the armbands and the shin bands that we made as well.
Yeah, they're over there. They're over that way. That way. But we're just waiting on the skirt to be hemmed, and then the arm and leg bands are not here right now because we put them over somewhere else. So, yeah. All right. So be tuned, or stay tuned.
Be tuned.
Okay.
What?
Forget I said that. Stay tuned for the next costume video. We're probably going to be doing it very, very soon. Hope you guys enjoyed this video.
If you liked it, pull the lever, Kronk.
Why?
Why do we even have that lever?
No. She goes, pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever. Why do we even have that lever?
Thanks a lot, guys. We'll see you on the next one.
All right, bye.
Pull the lever, Kronk. Wrong lever!
Huh?
Why do we even have that lever? Get out of my way.
Please remain seated and keep your arms and legs in at all times.
Faster! Yzma, put your hands in the air!
Mission accomplished.